Top 200 Secrets of Success by Robin Sharma. Session 1. Secret of Success number 1. Sleep less. This is one of the best investments you can make to make your life more productive and rewarding. Most people do not need more than 6 hours to maintain an excellent state of health. Try getting up 1 hour earlier for 21 days and it will develop into a powerful habit. Remember, it is the quality, not the quantity of sleep that is important. And just imagine having an extra 30 hours a month to spend on the things that are important to you. Point number 2. Set aside 1 hour every morning for personal development matters. Meditate, visualize your day, read inspirational texts to set the tone of your day. Listen to motivational tapes or read great literature. Take this quiet period to vitalize and energize your spirit for the productive day ahead. Watch the sunrise once a week or be with nature. Starting the day off well is a powerful strategy for self-renewal and personal effectiveness. Secret of success number 3. Do not allow those things that matter the most in your life be at the mercy of activities that matter the least. Every day, take the time to ask yourself the question, is this the best use of my time and energy? Time management is life management, so guard your time with great care. Use the rubber band method to condition your mind to focus solely on the most positive elements in your life. Place a rubber band around your wrist. Each time a negative, energy-sapping thought enters your mind, snap the rubber band. Through the power of conditioning, your mind will associate pain with negative thinking, and you will soon possess a strongly positive mindset. Always answer the phone with enthusiasm in your voice and show your appreciation for the caller. Good phone manners are essential. To convey authority on the line, stand up. This will instill further confidence in your voice. Secret of success number 6. Throughout the day, we all get inspiration and excellent ideas. Keep a set of cards, the size of business cards available at most stationery stores in your wallet, along with a pencil to jot down these insights. When you get home, put the ideas in a central place such as a coil notepad and review them from time to time. As noted by Oliver Wendell Holmes, man's mind, once stretched by a new idea, never regains its original dimensions. Secret of success number 7. Set aside every Sunday evening for yourself and be strongly disciplined with this habit. Use this period to plan your week. Visualize your encounters and what you want to achieve, to read new materials and inspirational books, to listen to soft, soothing music, and to simply relax. This habit will serve as your anchor to keep you focused, motivated, and effective throughout the coming week. Point number 8. Always remember the key principle that the quality of your life is the quality of your communication. This means that the way you communicate with others, and more importantly, the way you communicate with yourself. What you focus on is what you get. If you look for the positive, this is what you get. This is a fundamental law of nature. Point number 9. Stay on purpose, not on outcome. In other words, do the task because it is what you love to do, or because it will help someone, or is a valuable exercise. Don't do it for the money or the recognition. Those will come naturally. This is the way of the world. Secret success number 10. Laugh for 5 minutes in mirror each morning. Steve Martin does. Laughter activates many beneficial chemicals within the body that place us into a very joyous state. Laughter also returns the body to a state of balance. Laughter therapy has been regularly used to heal persons with varied ailments and is a wonderful tonic for life's ills. While the average 4-year-old laughs 500 times a day, the fifteen average adult is lucky to laugh 15 times a day. Revitalize the habit of laughter. It will put far more living into your life. Thank you, and wait for the session number 2.